Welcome guys, couple of really special episodes coming up. It's actually my last day in Maui, I can't even believe it. We are out here in Hawaii, we're in Maui, and we spend the next couple of episodes cruising around Maui, checking out some of the most beautiful beaches, waterfalls, and we even get out on a boat to experience Jaws. Absolutely pumping. I'm over here with my good mate Aussie. This has honestly been one of the best holidays I've ever had. I can't wait to show you this. I've really fallen in love with Maui. I've fallen in love with the people, the culture. I don't think I've ever been anywhere where I felt so calm, so relaxed, and just had the best time with so many epic people. Strap yourselves in, she's gonna be a hell of a ride. Maui, baby, let's go. We're on, finally, touchdown in Maui. Let's go see if we can't find the Ozmeister. Oh, I'm just snapping a plugger, eh? I've just done a plugger. Look at the pickup, the big fella. We're on. Full on! You're joking?
Yeah, we made it!
Well guys, this is Aussie, Mr. Gill. Look at the bloke!
Howdy!
He's in his element.
Thumbs up.
Oh, righto. Let's get out of this airport. Quick rundown of what's going on. We've literally just arrived. We're already packing. We're going camping, which is a great start. And then what's planned for the rest of the week?
Yeah, we're gonna do some surfing, diving,
big
fishing.
waves.
We can only hope.
We can only hope.
Yeah, but we're also keen for some fishing, some camping. We've got a whole bunch of mates, which is, yeah, it's sort of rare to organise everyone to go camping. So we're really frothing, heading out to some awesome spots on the island. It's gonna be a bit of a trek.
But we're going straight out camping, so enough of us dribbling. Let's go! Woo! Well, I'll tell you what, how's this for a drive? We're cruising along the coastline. It is the clearest day. We've absolutely jagged it. We just went past a couple of old volcano craters, all the lava that flowed down the hills, all the black rock you can see. Oh.
What a time!
Oh,
what a view!
What a view, all right. This is absolutely crazy. Have a look at it, would ya? Everyone's just getting ruzzed up, getting their little setup sorted. Check it out. She's no bush company, but yeah, baby. Home sweet home. You kidding? Morning. Taj Mahal. How'd you go? Have a look at it.
A couple of rubber mats and a blanket.
He's on.
Oh, gee, it was comfy.
We're rigging up now. We're going now.
Yeah, we go well.
We're going for a little speary. Let's see what we can find.
We'll find something.
At least we're getting wet.
We're in there.
Yeah. You look good.
Thanks.
Whew, this will blow the cobwebs out.
see those parrotfish? It's like nearly as big as you.
What's it?
And I come lay on the reef. I was just about to spear it, and then guess what you did? You swam on top of it. And we bloody missed it.
You're blaming me for your mistakes.
Yeah. Again.
Oh, well, it was nice to get wet anyway. Oz has been napping. We've been playing cards. She's been a pretty relaxed day, let me tell you. But main man Monty just come back in from a fish. Let's go see how he went. He took the yak out for a run. How'd you go?
Knocking a boat right here. It's a 25-footer.
Some fish, bros?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, he's on.
Nice uku and a nomilu.
Sick.
Just right out front. I feel like there is water in there.
Oh yeah.
Wait, nomilu slayer, Monty.
Hell yeah. Righto, one down. Here comes Kimmel. The boys left at 3 AM. They've been out, it's now 2. They've been out for 11 hours. Let's see if he's got any fish. Wait till you see this for a setup. This thing's out of control. Look at the big dog. Mate, that fish bag looks full. Look at the buzz up. How'd you go, Brass?
Pretty good.
Sick. Moment of truth. Hey, Mr. Dolly.
Look at that.
Oh, that is a good dolly.
Woo,
Yeah, boy.
It's nothing.
Oh! He's frothing.
Yo.
Right, a quick little pack up. Didn't want to film too much of the cruise camping little trip, but we've got a couple of other mates coming down and we're going to jump in the car and we're going to start making our way to Hunter. So we get to do the epic road on the way there. Hopefully a couple of waterfalls, quick pack up, meet these other mates, and we're out of here. A couple of mates that said they're going to show us around have just rocked up. Louis and Laurel. So we're going to meet them out on the main road. Punch to Hunter. Bloody wild road, one way, a little bit of traffic, but so far we're going all right.
How's your driver?
Good driving, Oz. Now you want to think you've done this before.
Hard at it.
Righto, so a little bit of, not drama, but last night we pulled up to the most magical little spot to camp, and you're not allowed to film it, you're not allowed to geotag it, you're not allowed to take any photos there. So basically, we stayed at this absolutely beautiful spot right on the water, overlooking palm trees, epic mountain range in the background. And unfortunately, guys, I couldn't film any of it, but me, Oz, and the girls are gonna go and get stuck into some waterfalls. It looks absolutely epic. We've had a little juice smoothie this morning. We're feeling good. Mate, it's that good. It is clear. Man, that's clear. That's crazy. Oh.
Just an ambitious proletariat questioning what it all means now that you've
you kidding?
That's the spot.
Oh.
And you swear it was real, but you fool for.
There's only so many shots I can get out the window, but you can't actually capture just how epic and beautiful this drive is. We've been going, it's probably a 5-6 hour drive, literally on the cliff edge the whole way around. The wildlife, the greenery, the different types of trees, tropical, overgrown, rainforest style. It is just, it's pretty special. Something that you really can't 100% grasp unless you get over here and check it out for yourself. So if you do get the opportunity to get out to Maui, do this drive through Hunter and around the coastline, put it on the bucket list because she's unreal. Just made it to the car park at Twin Falls, and it's a car park, so this one could be, she could be busy. It should be flash, but I think it's going to be busy. Let's go check it out. Old Twin Falls was a bit busy.
Flat out.
Flat out. We've given it a bit of a skip. There was too many people there, so we're going to swim in this little pool up here and then punch onto another little sneaky one. And then we're going to go to a bamboo forest, which should be absolutely epic. Onwards and upwards. Well, we hiked into this little secret spot. Tell you what, it is absolutely stunning. You're kidding, aren't you? This just might be the pick of the bunch, number 3. Woo. Righto, here we go. We're going for this little cruise in the bamboo forest. Have a look at this. You're joking? So we decided to push deep into the little bamboo jungle. It's getting a bit wet and a bit muddy, but we're on the hunt.
I think I'm lost.
We were on the hunt for another waterfall, but that'll fill you with confidence. I think I'm lost. Jeez. No, we're not lost. Now, I can confirm we're lost in a bamboo jungle. I want to make sure we can see this trail to get back out. Make sure you're dragging your feet a bit, Aussie. What do you got? I can hear the water.
We're miles from it.
Miles.
Good track though.
Can't say we didn't have a go.
Oh. If you're not getting lost, you're not doing all right.
No worries. Oh, we're just going to water. Could be a couple of hour hike out of here, but we'll see how we go. Oh no. Oh, that's not what we want.
But I think we need to go kind of that way.
Yeah, I think we just go through. You're lightweight. I'm a bit too heavy for these things, I think.
You gotta take a couple more of these.
Oh, don't come up here with me.
Yeah.
Oh, you're an idiot.
Do you get fatter?
I knew I shouldn't have had that last beer last night. Apparently there's a waterfall that you got to swim to further up. We got a ways to go. It's 5 o'clock. The sun goes down in an hour. Yep, no, we're into it. It's going to be sick. Well, we've absolutely caked it and we're walking out in the dark. We've made it as far as we can on foot. We can hear it we're gonna have to go for a swim. Righto, hooroo. Ladder up there. The journey continues. Woo! This is epic. Yes! Well, lucky we decided to climb up one last waterfall because have a look at this. I reckon we found it, big horse. How good. This has been an absolute mission. Woo! Good job, team. That's sick. It's time to get out of here. We got our mate our way all the way back to the car somehow. Let's have a go. Sun's going down, and when I think we've done it, we're back on the main trail. We're home and hosed, Oz.
It's been a journey.
It's been a bloody journey. Whew. It's not even that dark after all. Still daylight. We've done well. We lost the other two. Oh, I'll get there eventually. Yeah!
Couple of Larrys.
Whoa, we're out of there. What a massive day. We're just going to punch it back towards home. Probably stop and grab a bit of a feed on the way back. Stay tuned tomorrow to see what we get up to next, because who knows, but I do know one thing. There's some big swell coming. And the big boy, he's going to be out there, so fingers crossed. Coming up in the next couple of days, guys, hopefully we can get out to Jaws and see if we can't get Aussie on an absolute horse. See you in the morning. All right, we're on this morning, guys. We told you the swell might be coming. Today's the day, they reckon, and every man and his dog is out here, let me tell you. So today, we are getting on a boat. We're punching out to Jaws, and the big horse, he's suiting up. So what's the surf comp that just got cancelled?
The Eddie Arcal.
So huge surf comp on another island just got canned yesterday. So literally all the big names in big wave surfing are now in Maui, and they're heading out today. So it's going to be an absolute scene. Anyway, guys, he's rigging up. Strap yourselves in. You're going to have to wait till next week to find out how we go at Jaws. If you have enjoyed this episode, guys, let us know in the comments below, because I want to know if you guys want to see more of this random adventure when we get out and just do the most random things, like going to Maui and running through bamboo forests, chasing waterfalls. So drop a comment below. Chuck us a like if you enjoyed it. If you want to grab any Explore merch, she's online. We're probably doing a giveaway this month. Till next time, get out and enjoy the Explore life. Jaws, baby. Let's go!